Let's talk about one of the biggest changes Google has made recently in how we create ads: responsive search ads, or RSAs. If you're used to older ad formats, RSAs might seem a bit confusing at first, but understanding them is key to improving your performance on Google search. Think of this as a quick guide to the core fundamentals of RSAs. I'll cover what they are, how they work, and some tips and mistakes to watch out for. So, what exactly are responsive search ads? Instead of writing just one fixed ad, RSAs let you provide multiple headlines, up to 15, and up to 4 descriptions for a single ad. Google then takes these assets and automatically tests different combinations to find the ones that perform best. Over time, Google's system learns which combinations work well for different search queries and shows those more often. Essentially, RSAs use machine learning to deliver the best possible message at the right time. Why Google switched to this? Google wants ads to be more flexible and relevant. With RSAs, your ad can adapt in real time based on the user's search, which usually leads to better performance, like higher click through rates. Here's a breakdown of how they work. You input your headlines and descriptions. Google generates ad combinations from them. Google shows these different combinations to users depending on things like the search query or device. Then, performance data is collected to improve future combinations. Now, for some best practices. It's tempting to write similar headlines, but don't. Diversify your headlines so each communicates a different benefit or value proposition. Use important keywords thoughtfully in some headlines. Highlight unique selling points like offers or guarantees. And always include a call to action like shop now. You can pin assets to specific positions, but use pinning sparingly, as it can limit variety and performance. Speaking of limiting variety, a common mistake is having too many similar headlines. Another is overusing pinning. Also, make sure you don't ignore the ad strength suggestions Google gives you. They can help improve your ad. And remember to keep testing new ideas regularly. To see how your RSS are doing, look at the ad strength rating, check the asset performance labels Google provides for your headlines and descriptions. And of course, look at click and conversion data for the ad group. See how RSAs impact your quality score, CTR, and conversion rates compared to past ads. RSAs are here to stay, and learning to use them effectively is crucial. Mastering basics like writing diverse headlines and understanding performance data will help you get more value from your ad spend. Don't be afraid to experiment. Hope you enjoyed the video. Like and share for more.